In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method from GoDaddy quickly and safely. This is helpful if you want to clean up old cards, update your billing details, or make sure an expired payment method is no longer saved on your account. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it in just a minute or two. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your GoDaddy account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, look toward the top corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to your account management area where you can control different parts of your GoDaddy profile and billing information. Next, look at the sidebar on the left and click Order History. This section is where GoDaddy keeps track of your purchases, billing activity, and saved payment options. After that, find and click the Payment Methods tab. Here, you'll see the cards or payment methods that are currently saved to your account. Now locate the payment method you want to remove. On the right side of that payment method, click the three dot icon to open the Options menu. From the list of options, click Delete. GoDaddy will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the payment method, so go ahead and click Confirm Delete. Once you do that, the payment method will be removed from your account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a payment method from GoDaddy. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.